Mechanisms course. Professor Miguel Fernando Montoya Vallejo. Working Group Miguel Ángel Rosso Sanz Felipe Morales and Carlos Andres Nieto SUA. Mechanical Engineering Program Colombian School of Engineering Julio Garabito. Historical Review of the Character. Ghost cosmonauts are one of the most shocking and terrifying events of the former Soviet Union. They were the test for everyone that the USSR was not competent, and clearly, this could not be known. In the space race between the USSR and the US, in the mid-20th, even before, the communists began by it. In the first tests, satellites were launched, including Sputnik 1, in addition to dogs, monkeys, and the first human. The ghost cosmonautas were the first Soviet to get to space, but never returned to Earth. The entire Soviet nation denied any relationship with these individuals, even their existence, files, faces, families, etc. They hid everything. Statistical figures. From 1957 to 1991, about 2,443 orbital launches were held. The first artificial satellite was Sputnik 1 in 1957 by the USSR. The first living being in space was the Laika dog in 1957 by the USSR. The first probe in Venus and Mars in 1960 by the USSR. The first human in space was Yuri Gagarin in 1961 by the USSR. The existence of more than 25 cases of ghost astronauts of the USSR is known. Characteristic movements. The up and down the astronaut demonstrates that it is lost in space. The movement of a star for a 4-bar system. Saturn rotation and rings for the use of helical gears. Design and construction of lift and follower. The box, the cam, and the follower were made with laser cut. The astronaut was made with 3D printing. Analysis of results. The movement that is simulated in Inventor could be replicated successfully. It presents slight oscillations due to the friction force and the imperfections in the cut that does not take into account the software.